All right, thanks so much, Stephen. Alabama is now officially recognized as a pro-life state after voters overwhelmingly passed Amendment 2. 59%, as you see on your screen, voted in favor. Now, this does not mean abortion and it's banned in the state, but it does mean Alabama's Constitution guarantees no right to have one. We wanted to know what comes next, so we sent Way 31's Brittany Collins to get some answers.
Many critics of Amendment 2 feared its passage would overturn the groundwork of Roe v. Wade being overturned. But I spoke with a history and political science professor, and he told me this amendment is very misleading.
This amendment, regardless if you're pro-life or you're pro-choice, does nothing to alter abortion.
Dr. Wayman D. Burke says abortion is an emotional topic, and Amendment 2 was put on the Alabama ballot to increase voter turnout, especially among religious groups.
It does nothing because it provides no, as I understand it, it provides no funds to fight this in court. It's merely a philosophical statement.
Dr. Burke said Amendment 2 can't pave the way to challenge Roe v. Wade. If lawmakers wanted to do that, they would have to pass legislation banning abortion in Alabama. Then the case would go through the federal court system and possibly to the Supreme Court.
That would have to be done with some other precedent-setting case that made its way to the Supreme Court or through legislation passed by the United States Congress in the form of a constitutional amendment.
Another portion of Amendment 2 says the state isn't required to provide funding for abortions. Reporting in Huntsville, Brittany Collins, Way 31 News.
All right, thanks so much, Brittany. And Dr. Berg told us anyone who wants to file a lawsuit against Amendment 2 could do so, but it still wouldn't change anything. He said if the amendment carried any weight, it might be worth fighting.